Hi, I'm going to show you how to make the stripe tasseled scarf. I used an eye hook. The pattern is down below. My daughter wanted me to make this for her because she wanted inspired Harry Potter type of scarf. I used a single crochet for most of this scarf, but you can do a half double crochet or double crochet, and I did it with an eye hook. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, I'm going to do a chain 20. So I'm going to slip knot onto my hook and then chain 20 all together. You can make this wider if you like, or smaller depending on how wide you'd like this. Once you have all your chains, we'll go to row 2. Then I'm going to single crochet in the second chain from the hook and then single crochet in each chain across. So single crochet, insert the hook, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. You can do half double crochet, you can do double crochet, treble crochet. I'm doing single crochet because my daughter wanted this scarf to be really tight with the stitches. Work that all the way to the end. Okay, single crochet in that last chain. And then it's going to look like this. This is the width part. Then I'm going to single crochet in each single crochet across. I'm not going to do a chain 1 or a chain 2. I think it might give it a straighter edge. I'm just going to keep working this for the entirety of the scarf, but I'm going to do color changes throughout. Now I'm going to do a color change. I'm going to slip in a new color and then turn my work and then just work the single crochet, and then I'll have to weave in those ends. After I'm done, I'm doing 3 rows of the light blue, and then I'm going to do 4 rows of the dark blue. Then I'm going to go back and do 3 rows of the light blue. Just single crochet across. That will be 19 single crochet. And then I'll go back and do, I think I did 16 rows of the dark blue. So I'm doing some stripes and then a long amount of rows for the dark blue, which was like I think 16 rows. And I'm going to turn my work and then single crochet again for 2 more rows and each stitch across with no chain 1s or anything. Unless you want to do a chain 1, you can do it. I decided not to. And then I'm just going to turn my work at the end of this row and do 1 more row of light blue. So it's going to look like that light blue strip, and then 4 rows of dark blue, and then 3 rows of light blue. So I'm going to weave in my ends. I have the 3 rows of light blue. I'm going to pick just one side to weave in my ends. I even took a lighter and singed the ends a little bit so they wouldn't fray as they came out, because I used the Caron soft yarn and it really frayed, so I just singed it a little bit with the lighter. And then I did the 4 rows of the dark blue, and then about, I think I did 16 like I said of those, the other row. Now I'm going to do 1 row of half double crochet on both ends so I can add tassels. So I'm going to do a slip knot into that end row, and I'm going to chain 2 and then work a half double crochet across in each stitch. So that first one counts as a half double crochet, yarn over, pull through 3 loops, and then repeat. Yarn over, grab the yarn over, pull through 3 loops. Finish that all the way to the end until you have all your half double crochet. Insert my hook, and then I'm going to have 7 inches of 7 strands of yarn for my tassel. Fold it over. You can use more or less for yours. I'm going to pull it through, loosen up my loop, and then pull it through again, and then my tassel will be complete. Then I'm going to pull that tightly and then skip a half double crochet and then put another tassel into the next stitch. So I'm going to do every other stitch and I will create a tassel, and at the end you can cut those to have them straight as possible. So I'm going to do it one more time, insert my hook after I skip a stitch, and then just repeat to create the tassel. I used an I hook for the tassels, but I found using a J or a K hook helped with these tassels. So you can go up a few hook sizes. So it's going to look like this, and then you can cut right across to have it straight at the ends, and this is what the scarf is going to look like, just like this. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.